Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix PDF file not opening in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you will see we have a couple of apps for PDF, but my PDF file is not opening actually. So how we can fix this one? Like, let's say you just need to click this one, and then you just need to click this open with, and our Acrobat is not actually working. So I will click on choose another app. Once I click over here, you can see the default app is Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is not working, so I just want to use a different one, like instead of the Microsoft Edge. So I will select Adobe Acrobat for this one and just click always. Once I click over that one, and now if I open this one, now it actually opened perfectly. So this is the simplest way to fix the issue. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again. Thanks for watching.